Mike McConville here again, String Tech Workstations, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. I have a Larrivee that John just dropped off. That video I just posted with the Scalloped Les Paul fingerboard, that was John. This is also John's guitar. It's a beautiful Larrivee guitar. I have to say, I'm not a proponent of scalloped fingerboards, but I'm not going to argue with John McLaughlin and Yngwie Malmsteen about the drawbacks or benefits of a scalloped fingerboard. For people that are into that kind of thing, more power to you. I do have to shout out to Mark Aitkinson. Never met the man. He's in Oakville, Ontario. And if you're going to get a fingerboard scalloped, man, this is the guy to see. He uses the stainless steel frets, and he put a lot of work into this thing to make this happen. He did an absolutely beautiful job. I will be putting a compensated nut on this guitar, on this Larrivee, and I will also be sort of tweaking the saddle. John uses these, I think they're 11 to 50 gauge strings, so we're going to intonate this with that gauge of string. Standard.